Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix mail on iPhone not showing all emails. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, by default, iOS may only download emails from the last few days or weeks just to save space. So to go ahead and fix that, let's go ahead over to our settings. Open it up. And then go ahead and scroll all the way down. Find apps. Tap on it. And then after that, go ahead and tap on Mail. Okay? Tap on Mail. And then here, tap on Mail Accounts. Now go ahead and select the account, for example, this account right here. Now, as you can see, we have Mail. Okay? Make sure that this one is enabled and synced. Another one, maybe this Gmail right here, enable Mail as well. All right? Just like so. Or if it's already synced, try to turn it off, turn it back on, and after that, go back, and under Fetch New Data, make sure that this one is set to push, okay? Go and select Gmail or iCloud right here, tap on it, make sure that it is set to fetch, okay? So essentially, new data will be pushed to your iPhone from the server when possible. Fetch automatically. Go back once more, back. Let's go ahead and define General right here under Settings. Tap on it. And then go ahead and find Background App Refresh. Tap on it. Now make sure that this one is turned on under Wi-Fi if you want to save data on your cellular data or mobile data. Just Wi-Fi. All right. And then once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, if that still won't work, as a bonus right here, you could go ahead and go back to Settings again. Go to Mail, under Apps, Mail, right here. Go to Mail Accounts, and then remove all these accounts, okay? And then, once removed, restart your phone, and then go back to the same exact page, and then add in the account. And after that, everything should refresh, okay? As corrupted account data can cause specific folders or email to disappear entirely. So you could go ahead and re-add them so it refreshes the server. And then once that's done, reopen up Mail, and it should be good to go. That's how simple it is to fix Mail on iPhone if it's not showing all emails. I hope this video helps you. I'll see you in the next one.